How long did it take you to build it?
A year, 18 months, because it's in between other things. So it's, you know, it's over a 1,000-hour project.
I'm not surprised by that.
Because it's very complicated, all the struts and all that sort of thing.
Primary material that you've made it from?
Standard balsa. It's covered in cling film, household cling film.
Cling film?
Yeah. Because you've got a 40-inch span model. You know, you'd have about 6 foot of covering. The lighter that you make that, the lighter the overall model.
Absolutely, yeah.
So you've got, you know, 2-3 grams, well, 6 or 7 grams of cling
But then there's
film.
paint on top of that.
Paint's a treat. It's perfect. It's a perfect material to
Is it
work
really?
with.
Oh, wow.
It's not like tissue that sticks to the ribs. It falls over the ribs like the full-size aircraft material does. And you don't have to shrink it. You can just stretch it on very, very lightly and go over with an iron set on the coldest setting just above the surface, and that will hold, remove the wrinkles.
Okay.
And it doesn't slacken off like solar film. If you put in a warm car, it'll go slack, then it'll tighten up after a few seconds.
Oh, okay.
It gradually tightens up over time as well, I've noticed.
Right.
So if you press it and get a wrinkle in, it'll, a day or two, that wrinkle will disappear.
What do you use for servos? Just standard sub-micro?
Standard micro servos that are about 1.5 grams.
Right.
Yes.
And motors and speed control, is it all fairly stock stuff?
Yeah, it's a Dell Tang receiver. I use quite a big battery. I use a 600 milliamp hour battery. That's mainly to move the centre of gravity forwards.
Right.
Because when I first flew it without the nacelles and it flew a treat. As soon as I put the nacelles on, it just destroyed the performance. It was all over the place. Blanks the airflow over the tailplane.
Of course.
So I had to make a larger tailplane.
Yeah.
Move the centre of gravity forwards. So I had to move the undercarriage forwards. So I've had to make quite a few deviations from scale to get it to fly.
You could only realise these things after doing the first iteration and flying it.
Well, that's right. Yes. Yes.
Thanks very much, Graham.
Right, you've got to keep plenty of power on when you're flying. If you throttle it back, it's a bit wallowy.
Well, it floats around. I am amazed something this large flies so gracefully in a hall like this.
Yes.
No, credit to your flying skill as well.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that.
Okay.
Thanks.